Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make rice-resistant starch full guide. Cool, freshly cooked rice uncovered for 12 hours to encourage starch retrogradation and increase resistant starch formation, then store in the fridge. Use a 1:2 rice to water ratio for firm grains that retrograde well. Eat cold or gently reheat to preserve benefits, and combine with vinegar or oil for improved texture and flavor. Start with good technique to maximize resistant starch yield and texture. Rinse rice thoroughly, then bring to a boil and simmer with a tight lid until water is absorbed, about 12 minutes for many varieties. Let rice steam off heat for 10 minutes before fluffing. These steps create firm, intact grains that cool into resistant starch more effectively, making your rice tastier and more gut-friendly. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical food tips. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes and cookbooks while you cook, with a glare-free screen and waterproof design that works by the sink. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals, and grab one if you want easier recipe access. Now let's get back to the video. Safe cooling and reheating preserve resistant starch while preventing bacteria. Spread rice in a shallow container, cool quickly, then refrigerate for 12 hours or more to form resistant starch. Keep it sealed and consume within 4 days. When reheating, use low power or steam until 165 degrees F is reached. Avoid vigorous boiling. These simple habits let you enjoy texture, flavor, and the digestive benefits with confidence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.